Hello guys, how are you? Okay, this time I was sharing how you can use the lsof command. Okay, I think this command very useful. You can check all your network connection inside your operating system. Which ports are opening, which port are listening, which port are established. You can check all this command using this command. Okay, but if you want to check the man page, you check yourself, but it's I don't want you to read all this information. It's totally waste your time. Okay, so let's practice ourselves. Let's try. Okay, before that, first of all, we have to check how many ports are opening inside the files and which ports are currently establishing. Okay, just using this lsof minus I, or you can dash I, anything you can call that. Okay, then you can see there is a some ports are currently listening, and then some ports are using established. Okay, for example, this SSH ports are established using the TCP protocol. Okay, then this is the username is intruder, so maybe this guy is the attacker. Maybe you can check the all the user, which users are currently accessing your system, and which ports are currently listening. All the things you can check using that command. It's very useful. For example, you are running the server, those server has, you can check how many users are accessing, and then which port number are currently using. All these things you can use this command. Okay, it's very useful. Okay, but you want to check only the specific port number. It's quite easy, just using port number. Which port number you want to check? Okay, I want to check only SSH port number, whether it's listening or not. Okay, or something established or not, something like that. So you can see only the SSH port number, whether is it running or not. Okay, this time I don't want to see the root user, only the rest of the user account, whether accessing my system. So the command is just exclude the root user. I don't want to see the root user anymore. I just want to see only the rest of the user, whether they are accessing my system. Okay, using the SSH command. Okay, so I excluded the root user. Then I can see there is an intruder. He is trying to listening and try to establish the connection to my PC. Okay, so this is, you can easy to find out that the user is currently using the SSH connection to your system. Okay, this time I want to check all the TCP connection. Okay, let me clear the terminal. This time I want to check only the sorry only TCP connection. Okay, so this time you can see all the port TCP connection. Okay, you can practice your own machines. Maybe you can see a lot of connection lists from your PC if you are using the internet access. Okay, so currently using only the TCP connection. You can see, you don't want to see any UDP connection, any other connection. So this one is filtering based on the protocol. Okay, this time I want to see only the UDP connection. I don't want to see TCP, just show me the UDP, please. Then you can see the UDP connection. Okay, little bit here, so you can see this is the UDP connection. Okay, this is filtering by protocol. Okay, using the root user. Okay, if you excluded the user, you cannot see the UDP connection, because currently the UDP connection only used by the root user. Okay, so this is filtering using the protocol. Okay, this time I want to see, I don't want to using the port number. Maybe you can check the HTTP port. Okay, I want to check whether the HTTP port is running or not. There is no any HTTP, so there is blank information. Okay, HTTP is whether running or not. Yes, there is a HTTP port is running. So which means using the Python, this web server using the Python to running the HTTPS web server. Okay, so if you have custom port number, you can also type your custom. For example, I want to type the 8000 port, whether it's listening or not. Yeah, this is the 8000 port is running as well. So if you want to check the specific port number, also you can check yourself. Okay, another thing is you want to check the port range. For example, I want to check TCP 1 to 1024. So I want to check only that port range whether it's running inside my PC. Okay, so this is, you can check the port number using the range, only the range of this port number whether running inside my PC, so that you can check based on the oh, how to say that, the based on the port range. Okay, so that this one you can see anything. You can use so many way, right? Currently I tested only with the SSH and HTTP and the port range TCP UDP SSH, so in your PC, right, if the different port number might be running, different protocol might be using inside server. Also you can check all this, how many connection are established from the which IP address, and you can see everything. For example, if you see LS website, right, you can see so many things. It's very messy, you cannot even find which one you want to really want to see, right? It's very messy, so you have to use the switch. For example, you want to use only the opening file using the Python. Oh, sorry. my bad, sorry. LSOF minus C Python. Okay, you want to see the Python, how many Python files are opening inside your PC, then you can see. Okay, this one is quite really good. How many Python files you are using currently running, there's a lot. All the files are using this Python. Okay, the HTTPS port also using this Python, so that you can see how many where is the Python directory, and then how many files are opened by the Python. Okay, this is using by the command to check the Python. Okay, another thing is whether user is, whether able to see the other user what they are really doing. For example, I want to see only the Kali user. For example, LSOF minus U. I want to see only the Kali user. Show me. This is also a Kali user currently using the things inside your PC. Okay, or you maybe want to check the intruder user. Just now you saw, right, the user is currently using the SSH connection to your system. Okay, you need to check, hey, how many files are they currently accessing. Oh, this is all the user running by the intruder user. Okay, this one is you can check the file based on the user account. Okay, so that you can easy to differentiate which user is currently opening which file. You can, based on that, you can find out, and you can forensic to doing something happening inside your PC. Okay, this is all about the LSOF command, but that command can use a lot. Okay, most rest of the switches you interest, you have find out on the internet and practice yourself. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.